Hi and welcome to this amazing Facebook ads course. My name is Obona Hakwe and this course is going to teach you how to become an expert from a total beginner to an expert in Facebook ads. Now this is an updated Facebook ad system that will teach you how Facebook works in 2023 because there have been a lot of changes on the interface and there's been a lot of policies and guidelines and algorithms. So many things have been happening on Facebook recently and they have introduced a lot of tools that will help you to skyrocket your sales or even make you to lose sales. So one thing about Facebook is that if you do it the right way, you are going to get results. If you do it the wrong way, you are not going to get results. So in this video, I'm not going to be bothering you. I'm not going to be giving you so many tutorials. We are going to be going deeper into the practical aspect of Facebook ads. So I don't want to start standing as a professional or start standing as a guru or an expert in any particular section of this video. So this course is going to be divided into several sessions so that you understand everything about Facebook and how it works. So while you're going on this training, what I want you to do for me is to follow along. If you have any questions, you can drop your questions below this video. So this is an open training and it's not going to be paid training anyways. So it's going to be an open training in the sense that you will learn how it works. So because I've seen a lot of people coming up on the Facebook systems and they're claiming what is working and what is not working. So that's why I decided to make this video available for you for free of charge. So let's just get into it. So the first thing you need to do now is to create a Facebook ad. Why do you even need to create Facebook ads? Why do you even need it in your business? Most people want to expand their business. They want to get more leads. They want to get more customers. They want to get more email lists. They want to grow their contact list, or they have different reasons. Maybe they want to showcase their brand. So there are lots of different Facebook ads objectives that you can use to achieve such goal. So in this course today, I'm going to be introducing you to the first thing to do on Facebook. So if you are new to Facebook ad systems or if you are learning how to create Facebook ad for the first time, you need to stick and watch everything about this video and also follow along on whole tutorial. I'm going to make it as a playlist on my YouTube channel so that you can watch from the very beginning to the end. So let's get into it and let's get started. The first thing here is on Facebook. This is my new Facebook account. Now, there are lots of different things you need to know about Facebook ad system, and there's a lot of things you need to have in mind before jumping into this thing. You need money, first of all, and you need creative. You need Facebook ad creative. You need to learn how to create a compelling ads creative, let me say post or content that you can use for your ad so that the thing will not violate Facebook terms and conditions. So there are some things Facebook don't allow when you're using their ad system to create. For example, you don't use Facebook to run a pornography on S-rated content like any other things that have to do with sex, enhancement, drugs. So what I will do for you now is I'm going to drop a link below this video that's going to explain to you what this Facebook ad system works and also the terms and conditions, what you should not use Facebook ad system to do so that you will not get banned. Now, like I said before, there have been a lot of new improvements on the system. Why, if you do the right way, you get your own quota of the share of the market share on Facebook. If you do it the wrong way, maybe you are too greedy, you are going to get banned, you're going to get restricted. So, first of all, what you need to do first of all is to create a new Facebook ad account. Now, creating a new Facebook ad account is like creating a new Facebook account, like profile. Like this one is my new Facebook profile I'm using for this video tutorial. And everything is now verified. I have not used it for any ads creation or everything. I'm going to show you how to use it from the beginning to the end. So the first thing you need to do now is to create a new Facebook profile for your ad systems. So you can create as many as possible, but just create one. Use your full name, right? You can see my name here, Obona Hakwe. This is the same name I have on my ID card, on my international passport, and my national ID card, and my voter's card. So that in case if you want to verify your profile, you can easily use those documents to verify. Like I said before, you can use your international passport or your voter's card or your national ID card, depending on the country you are watching this video from. So when you create your new Facebook profile, the first thing is to verify it. Right? First thing first is to verify it. I'm going to drop the link again to follow to verify your Facebook ads, Facebook profile. So the first thing is we go to Facebook like this, type facebook.id, all right, ID Hub. You now say something like that, ID Hub. Right, just type this address now. This is the first thing first to verify your Facebook profile so that in case they have any other thing, they're going to give you access to submit details of your, my own is already verified. You can submit details of your international passport, your driver's license, or your anything at all you have to verify your account. This is the first thing you need to do. This is the first thing you need to do. So you can see here, my own is already verified. Let me show you what I used to verify my own. I'll let you know, I'm just talking about different things. Here's personal ID I used. Alright, when I click on open, it's going to show you this ID. You can see I submitted this thing on 7th of May 2023. Alright, this is an updated course on Facebook ads. So you can see what I submitted is my what do you call it, my international passport. That means official document, Nigerian confirmed. So the thing is not visible to anybody. So what I'm going to do now is to come to identification confirmation, then you click on, you can see there's a where your information is used. You can check all these things to if you want to go into it. So anyway, confirm your ID. The first thing you need to do now is, if your own is not verified, you click on confirm. You say choose reason why you want to verify your Facebook profile. Of course, you want to use it for add-on ad, not only for protecting your account. When you verify these accounts, alright, you only to verify your account with your document is already verified and protected for your account. So if you choose none of the above, that means you don't want to verify your account, which is very, very bad as a business person, as a serious person. If you choose running ad, that means this is everything about running ads. So you want to protect your account for getting banned. Not 100% sure, but you are 99%, maybe 80% sure of your account not getting restricted. If you do the right thing, click on this. You can see it says select country. Now, select your own country. I will select Nigeria. Let me just type Nigeria. This is my country. Select Nigeria. You click on get started. Now you say, are you sure you want to confirm your identity? You select yes. Alright, it takes you to another place where you need to confirm. You can see my own is already confirmed. So your own, you just, everything, my own is already completed. My two-factor authentication is already completed. Personal ID is already confirmed. So your own is going to show you something like this. So for example, let me go back to that first page now. Click on getting started. Let me go to protect my account. Let's see whether you can have another option now. So when you click on here now, they're going to ask you for your password and everything. So I'm going to put my password here. Let me blow it and put my password and log in. Right now, my account has two-factor authentication. So you can see here, everything is on. This my two-factor authentication system is on. My test, I'm using test security. That means my security method is already secure. That means I'm using my phone number. These are the things, first of all, you need to do before starting running ad. So you need to turn all these things on so that Facebook will know that you're actually doing the right thing. Set up your authentication app. You can use Google Authenticator or use Authy. I'm going to drop the link as well so that you can use all these things to verify your Facebook and everything on a new Facebook profile. But what I advise you to do or not to do is, immediately you create a new profile on Facebook, don't start using it to run ad immediately. Leave it for 1 week before starting using it, because if you create it that same day, verify it that same day and start using it, Facebook will bounce back that account. They will reject it. So you set up your recovery code and everything. Everything is just go to settings on your profile. Normally now you can create all these things, set up your security settings and everything on your profile and everything. So let me just show you what you need to just do first of all before we jump into creating our ads. Now, after verifying your profile, please make sure you submit a clear picture of yourself, a passport of yourself. Make sure you submit that thing, clear picture of yourself, and all these things you need to put in place first of all before you start creating your first ads account. So after that, the next thing to do is to go and read the Facebook ad policies. Let me show you what we're going to do here. Search for Facebook ads policy 2023. I'm using Bing browser. Alright, you can use your own any browser, anyone. They have this one. They have updated policy. You can see this one, Facebook ad policy 2021. If I search for, let me say, put 2023, they have, like I said before, there have been a lot of changes on the system recently, and you need to learn all these things. So we have here better advertising and everything. So you need to learn, read it. Please read it so that you know when the system is going against you or when you are going against the system. There's a lot of things you can do with Facebook, but if you don't follow all these guidelines, you will be making a lot of mistakes, and by so doing, you are not getting it right started. You're not getting everything right started. So you need to learn about Facebook advertising standards. You need to learn about everything about it. You need to start, you need to study it. You need to know what you're supposed to promote and what you don't supposed to promote on the system. Please read Facebook terms and conditions. That's the first thing first. So we have come to the end of this video. In the next video, we are going to start creating our Facebook ad account and also the introduction to Facebook Business Manager and also your Facebook profile. So I'm going to be showing you how it works. So if you are enjoying this video, what I want to do for me now is to click the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that if I drop the next video, you are going to be the first person to receive it. So thank you and see you in the next video.